SpeedGrader is where most of your actual grading happens, so it's worth getting comfortable here. Let's walk through the core workflow. From any assignment, you can click SpeedGrader, or you can go to your grades link, and from the assignment title, click the Options button and choose SpeedGrader, and you're dropped into a grading view built to keep everything you need in one place: the student's submission, the rubric if one's attached, and a place to enter a grade. If a rubric is attached, you may see an option to change how it's displayed: a traditional grid, a vertical stacked layout, or a more compressed horizontal layout. Try a couple of these and use whichever one is easiest to read on your particular screen. A laptop and a large monitor may feel very different here. Pro tip: if the rubric feels cramped on your screen, just hover your mouse over the vertical border separating the student's work from the grading panel. Click and drag it to the left to widen your workspace. Use this drop-down to jump directly to any student, or use the arrows to move through the roster one at a time in order. You can leave a straightforward text comment here, same as typing feedback anywhere else in Canvas, or record an audio comment instead. This one's worth trying if you haven't. A lot of instructors find they can say more, faster, out loud than they'd typed, and students often engage with an audio comment more than a wall of written text. Not only that, the student can also respond in kind if they want to leave an audio comment as well. If a student submitted a document, you can mark it up directly. Highlight, underline, or drop a comment right next to the specific line you're responding to without downloading anything. And if a rubric's attached, grading through it is as simple as clicking the level that matches the student's work for each criterion, and Canvas totals the points automatically. If the assignment doesn't have a rubric attached, you can just enter the grade here, or identify its status as missing, late, or excused, and the student will see it. Depending how the assignment is set up, you may be entering a raw point value or seeing it as a percentage. Either way, the underlying grade is the same, just displayed differently. You just want to make sure you're entering it appropriately. And if you need to switch back to the gradebook view, you can just click over here on this icon. If you have an assignment that isn't based on a submission, or you need to go back and change someone's grade, you can simply type their score here in the gradebook's assignment column. That's the core SpeedGrader workflow: text, audio, and annotation feedback, grading through a rubric, and moving efficiently through a full roster. Once you get familiar with this, grading stops feeling like a chore and starts feeling more like just another part of the week.